Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well today. This is Rajib Datta, and as part of my 100 videos in 100 days challenge to improve my spoken English, today I want to talk about my college campus, Government Bangla College. It is a public college located in Mirpur in Dhaka, and it was established in 1962 to support education and promote the Bangla language in higher studies. The college has many departments where students can study subjects like science, arts, and business. And there are classrooms, a library, a playground, and friendly teachers and students. I enjoy studying here because I can meet my friends, learn new things, and take part in different activities. The teachers help us understand lessons and encourage us to work hard and do our best. College life is also fun, and cultural events, games, and group studies that make learning more interesting. I feel proud to be a student of this college because it helps me grow not just in studies but also as a person with better skill and confidence. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. If you liked it, please follow me and my channel and join me on this 100 videos in 100 days challenge. See you in the next video and have a great day. Bye bye.